Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So if you are seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, so today we are gonna continue our part 2 for Hochschule Bremerhaven that we are applying for the course Embedded System and Design. In the first part of the video, we also learned about the requirements, and I also showed you how to register for Uni-Assist also and how to look for this particular course which we are applying, and we also added that to our cart or our inbox. In this particular college, we also saw that you need to have a degree in electrical engineering or closely related field of about 210 ECTS. Then if you need to have a minimum of 2.3 GPA, which will be in our Indian CGPA, which will be around 7.2. If you have more than that, like say 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, so they are allowed or they are okay to give admission to the people who are still until 2.6 if you have an experience of 2 years after your bachelor's. So these are the requirements that they asked for. Then also you need to have a IELTS certificate of 6 or 6.5. If you don't have IELTS, then you need to have a medium of instruction. After that, you need to have a German A1 compulsory. Without any ado, we'll continue our second part. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into these videos and apply for their self. Then they can end up in master degree in Germany in their dream college. Now we'll get started. As you can know, we were here, and here we have to fill our additional application related questions. Once you clicked on additional application related questions, the first thing that you have to fill is your educational data. As I told you in many of the video, the first educational thing that you will get is school abroad, or which will be called as school living certificate that you have obtained abroad. So the school living certificate here, they will be having school 1 and school 2 usually. So usually how I divide is school 1 would be your PUC, which is your 12th, and people who have not done PUC or 12, then they can give their diploma also here. So first we will fill in the school 1. So school 1 will be for 2 years, which you have done for 11th and 12th, some people call it, or pre-university college, which we usually call it in Karnataka. So that will be for 2 years, and name of the college and school will be Marimalapas High School or Marimalapas Pre-University College, where I studied. Then it is in Mysore. Then country would be India. Then name of the certificate awarded is pre-university degree. If this pre-university degree is not the degree or the certificate name or the degree awarded for you, please look into your 12th certificate and just give the certificate name that they have issued for you. So that will be your name of the certificate awarded. Then date of school living certificate or when you have finished, so it will be also mentioned in your second PUC marks card. So this is your school 1. In school 2, usually I will suggest you guys to fill in your up to 10th details or 10th standard details, where 10th standard details is like SSLC we call it, where it is called as secondary school living certificate. So you can just mention that information, when you did it, name of the school where you studied your 10th, and country and name of the certificate that they have issued for you. After this, University entrance exam. I have explained this many times, and because they are, I think in a way that they are looking this video for the first time, that's why I explain everything. So university entrance examination would be after your schooling or your PUC, before you join to your bachelor degree of any university, you will give intermediate and entrance examination. So that will consider as university entrance qualification or exam. So usually in India, we have numerous amount of university entrance qualification. When we were studying, we had our state level examination, which was called as CET, and also national level exam as NEET as of now, which is commonly called, and also we had this JEE mains and so many other things. So here you can just give what are the university entrance examination that you have taken. So if you have taken CET, NEET, please mention that, and also please mention the university entrance examination date when you have given or the result when you have got. It is mentioned in your proof of certificate which you're gonna attach for this university entrance examination. So usually it will be when you got a result, so that will be the easiest one to upload. So after that, you have done your school and you have taken your university entrance exam. So for which issue you took university entrance exam in order to pursue your university. So the first university that you guys pursued is your bachelor degree. So that's the reason you have to mention study outside Germany as your bachelor. So have you begun completed university occasional program in outside Germany? Yes, we have done it. Which degree we have done? We have done our bachelor degree. So bachelor degree will usually takes place for 4 years. So that's the reason period of study is 4 years for me. And the name of the institution and country where I did was Vishweshwara Technological University, which is in Karnataka and India. Also, the subject specific area that I have did in my bachelor is electrical engineering, and the degree qualification that I have got is Bachelor of Engineering. And I have seen also comment people saying why it is Bachelor of Engineering, why not it is Bachelor of Technology. For all those questions, please look at your bachelor degree certificate, what they have mentioned. In my bachelor degree, they have mentioned it is Bachelor of Engineering. That's the reason I have given. So in your bachelor degree certificate, if they have mentioned Bachelor of Technology, then please mention Bachelor of Technology. Have you successfully completed the program or vocational qualification? Yes, I have successfully completed the vocational training. So you can just click on yes. If you have not done yet, or you are at the semester ending of 7th or 8th, then you can click on no, and also you can attach the certificate of possible date of completion which you have taken, which you can take from your principal or your head of the department, saying that you are doing this particular course or this particular bachelor degree in their college and you will be expected to graduate in this semester or this time. So then you can use that as a course completion certificate beforehand when you are 7th or 6th semester. Then usually you have to click on all student in college. So this student in college will be usually no if you are a person who are finished bachelor in India and applying for masters. So this would be interesting to the people who are applying for bachelor degree and other co-curricular other courses where they expect student college to be done in Germany. But as of now, we can click everything as no. After that, the studies in Germany. As of now, studies in Germany will also be no. If you are a person who have done one semester in Germany already in any of the master degree, then you want to jump to second semester for this particular course, then you have to click on yes and fill in the first degree that you have taken in Germany. But usually we are applying for first degree course or the first degree course starting at first semester. That's the reason we will click it no. So no need to upload anything. Then you can click on save. After that, you have to fill in the all mandatory documents that will support your mandatory answered questions. So that's the reason we will give our work and intern PDF, so which will have our work experience and internship certificates. Then you need to attach your bachelor degree certificate with your transcript, and 10th and 12th will be our school living certificate, or it is secondary school living certificate, which will also include your PUC as a schooling 1 and 2. Then you can attach your passport, and you can attach your statement of purpose, and also you can attach your language of certificate. Language certificate should be your IELTS 6 or 6.5. If not, medium of instruction is also considered. So please also upload medium of instruction if you don't have language certificate, and you have to mention your CV. So here, if you just see what are the things that we have missed. So here we have missed our German requirement A1. So please mention or upload the German A1 document here. And also you have to upload APS documentation here. I will just quickly upload, and also we can use that in the future videos also. As always I am explaining, so it would be also good if I show it to you. Now I took some time and also showed you how to upload your APS document. You need to upload your APS document and also your German PDF where you would mention your German language certificate which you have done for A1 until for this particular course. So we have mentioned all documents also, and also we have mentioned all details that they have asked in the subject related questions and also additional application questions. Then you are applying for the first time, then your first application fees will be 75 euros. Then you have to click on choose payment option, then usually pay it via credit card, then proceed to checkout. Then please select all mandatory required field that they have asked, then please click on process payment option, then please pay it. As of now, usually I don't pay because I am not applying for this particular college or any of the colleges because I have finished my studies. So this was the thing that I wanted to show you today and talked about. So we did a complete 2 video part analysis or the application video for Hochschule Bremerhaven. In the upcoming video, I will check for the requirement analysis video if any college is there. If I don't see or any application video opening, then I will make a requirement analysis video. If I see any application video which is in priority, then I will make a video on that. So until then, take care, bye bye. See you in next video. Then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because 80% or to 90% of the people who are watching this video are not subscribed. So please subscribe, then it will also boost my energy to make new videos. Thank you so much and see you next video. Bye bye.